Hey everyone, where am I? Well, I am at 61 Surrey Hill Drive in Latham, North Colonie School District. And this beautiful home, townhome, is $309,900. It has full HOA exterior. That means that roof, that means this driveway, that means that walkway. And if you already saw this on my live version, I'm doing it again my style. So come on in, let's check out this beauty. Again, the HOA is $300 a month. It covers so much more than normal HOAs. It has 2 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, and guess what? It's updated. Not just these beautiful floors, LVP, luxury vinyl plank, but the half bath and the full bath upstairs. Isn't that great? Up that hill is a beautiful view. This is all open. If you go online and look at my listing, you'll see some staged photos so you get an idea what will fit where. Sometimes it's hard when I walk around for people to really see what's going on. This opens to the kitchen, new refrigerator. Behind those bifolds are the washer and dryer. So all open here, open here. And you can go outside, have a grill. The HOA takes care of this patio. Now you can switch that patio out. You just have to get approval. Otherwise, they take care of it. So if you wanted something different, you could submit plans. If you wanted a pet, you can have a pet, but you have to register with the HOA to have that pet. So why don't we go upstairs and check it out. So landscaping, snow removal, trash, that's also included. We're going to the top, and right in front of me is it's actually the 2nd bedroom. It's the one with the view. Ta-da! It comes back out this way. Can you see? Isn't that gorgeous? Imagine having this be your office or your work area. Let's go back. Now right here's the full bath. I have the door shut. But if you were stationed in this bedroom, you'd walk out into the hall and it'd be right here. This is the master. Again, I have staged photos online. You have 2 closets, here and here. Plenty of room for a king-size bed. And you get up, walk into this beautiful bathroom that's been updated. That's new tile, new registers, new doorknobs. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And then we just walk back out this way. Ta-da! And we look down and we can yell down to whoever's there, our friend, family member, switch that laundry, shut off the oven, pour me a glass of wine. All the fun things we like to do in life. This is a great space, very affordable. You know what you pay for apartments today per month. This mortgage is lower than a lot of apartments this size. And it didn't include a garage. It didn't include a nice place to walk, a quiet neighborhood, a patio. So if you're paying high rent, you should think about this place. Again, it's open, move-in ready. You don't have to do anything, and you don't have any maintenance. So if you don't have maintenance, that means you have more free time to do fun things, and it's very affordable. Call me if you want to see this place, if you have any questions at all. Thank you.